Probably believed at least one of these myths your entire life, but today we're about to bust 5 of the most popular ones that everyone still thinks are true. Get ready to question everything. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Myth number 1, bats are blind. We've all heard it, that bats are blind, but here's the truth. Bats aren't blind at all. Most bats can actually see just fine. In fact, some, like Axe, the upside, have excellent eyesight, even better than humans in low light. Many bats also use echolocation to see with sound, but vision is still part of their tool set. So no, bats aren't blind. In fact, they might see better than you in the dark. So this myth is busted. Bats can see. Myth number 2, sugar makes kids hyperactive. Think sugar turns kids into wild animals? You're not alone. But studies say, nope, that's a myth. Scientific research shows no direct link between sugar and hyperactivity. In one famous study, parents were told their kids had sugar, but they hadn't. The parents still said their kids were hyper. The real problem? Overstimulation at parties, poor sleep, maybe caffeine, but not sugar itself. So the next time a kid is bouncing off the walls, don't just blame the cake. So this myth is busted. Sugar is not be hyperactive. Myth number 3, goldfish have a 3-second memory. Goldfish get a bad rap. People say they forget everything in 3 seconds. But guess what? They're way smarter than you think. Goldfish can remember things for months. They can recognize their owners, navigate mazes, and even be trained to push levers or swim through hoops. In one study, they remembered a feeding schedule weeks after being trained. So no, they're not brainless blobs. They just have quiet confidence. So this myth is busted. Goldfish have long memory. Myth number 4, shaving makes hair grow back thicker. Ever been told that shaving will make your hair grow back thicker, darker, or faster? It doesn't. That's a total myth. Shaving cuts the hair at the surface, giving it a blunt edge. That's why it feels coarse, but it hasn't actually changed. Your hair's color, texture, and speed of growth are determined by your genetics and hormones, not your razor. So shave if you want, but don't expect it to turn you into a werewolf. So this myth is busted. Shaving doesn't affect hair growth. Myth number 5, the Great Wall of China is visible from space. It's in textbooks, cartoons, and trivia night. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space.